Installing the socket tower will require 2 or 3 people. A packet containing the screws necessary for assembling the table and socket tower is attached to the base. Take the socket tower out of the packaging, remove the plastic matrix, and position this on the underside of the tabletop. Insert the whole tower into the hole from the tabletop's upper surface. Start to insert the cable, then screw on the matrix until the tower is secured sufficiently. Tighten the plastic matrix using screws and a screwdriver. Insert the cable through the hole at the top of the base and route it through the plastic cable tube. Pull it out of the base and position the base where the table is going to stand. Then put the tabletop on the base and fasten it with screws using the Allen key. We do not recommend moving the table after it has been assembled. For safety reasons, do not plug in the socket panel cable until fully assembled. Simply lift one side of the upper cover to pull out the socket tower. When all necessary cables have been connected, it can be retracted. From then on, you can use all your table's features.